Samsung Galaxy M02s scheduled to launch on January 7, priced under 10,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy M02s launch in market is on January 7 and it will be priced under 10,000 rupees, Samsung has confirmed. A dedicated microsite for the phone is also live on the Samsung India website. The company has shared some of the specifications of the Galaxy M02s. The upcoming phone has also been spotted on multiple certification websites in the past. Samsung says that the Galaxy M02s will offer the best of gaming, streaming, browsing, and photography experience. This will be the first time a Samsung Galaxy phone with 4GB of RAM is launched for under 10,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy M02s launch in market, price. Samsung website has been updated with a dedicated microsite revealing that the Samsung Galaxy M02s will be launched on January 7 at 1 p.m. IST. The phone will be priced under 10,000 rupees and will be the first Galaxy phone with 4GB RAM that will be offered at that price point. Samsung also shared that the phone will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display, 4GB RAM, and be backed by a 5000 mAh battery. The microsite also shows relatively thick bezels all around with a thicker chin. The power and volume buttons are located on the right side. Previous rumors had suggested that the Samsung Galaxy M02s will be powered by the Snapdragon 450 so can have a variant with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. The phone is said to come with a triple rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary sensor and two other 2-megapixel sensors. It could also support 15 watts fast charging through a micro USB port. Late in November, a support page for the Samsung Galaxy M02s went live on the official website with model number SM M025F/DS. The phone was also spotted in a Geekbench listing showing the phone runs on Android 10. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.